Fine. What do you think?
But you're
exactly, you're not an official teacher, so what do you think about it?
I think that you guys absolutely should be given points for your homework so that you do your homework. If it counts for
Formative, points as summative or as formative?
I think that there should be no distinction. That everything should count for something. If you are being asked to do work, you should be given points for that work. If it counts for nothing, do you guys do your work? No. And then how do the tests go? They don't go very well.
Exactly.
And then you ask for retakes, which anytime outside of here, there's no such thing as a retake. There's no such thing as, I didn't study, I'll just do a retake later on. There is not that kind of thing. If I screw up at my job, I've screwed up at my job. There are consequences for me. There's no redos, there's no let's wind back the clock, there's none of that.
So everything should count for what you do.
Everything should count for what you do. Because that's the way that the world works, and that's the way that keeps you accountable. Saying, how do you learn Spanish? By doing a bunch of, they feel repetitive assignments, right? They feel like, oh God, I gotta do this again and again and again and again.
But it's always different.
But that's why it's to learn a language, you have to do things over and over so that it cements in your brain. Languages are hard. Math is hard. They tell you that your homework doesn't count, and then you go home and you're like, God, math is hard, I don't want to do this. I would rather watch a movie, hang out with my friends, sleep. I understand that. If I was you guys, I would do the same thing. Oh, this doesn't count? I don't really have time for it? Oh, I don't have to do it because it doesn't matter. Because it doesn't count my head.
So if some teachers say that it shouldn't count, what would you say?
I would say that I don't think that, I understand philosophically why it's done that way. I understand that we should be giving you credit for what you have learned overall, and that cheating on homework is easy to do.
Yeah,
I
no.
get that.
I'm not saying where, like, you do something and you get it wrong, like, like small points, like a worksheet is worth 2 points instead of worth, like, there's 50 questions, some are gonna be worth 1 point each. Yeah, at least for what you do it for is what counts, right?
Right.
So some teachers say it doesn't count, there's no point of saying that if they do it anyways, right? If they're doing their homework, shouldn't they get at least some credit for doing it?
At least some credit for doing it.
Okay, thank you.
Because I think otherwise there's no incentive to do it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.